Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Mashion, so I'm Sheheryar Munawar and these are my essentials. Let's start off with this because it's very important to smell nice and this is the safest. But I feel like a lot of people are now smelling like this, so I'm really reconsidering this. Moving on, sunglasses. So I have a lot of sunglasses, but these are the ones that I'm doing these past few days and months. The best thing is that I've got this long face, so I can pull off a lot of different shapes of glasses. But these are pretty cool. So next in terms of priority are these two things. I can't sleep without them, so this kind of just helps me block out everything. From there I'll go on to these. I have a bunch of headphones, but I used to keep breaking my headphones a lot. But these, if you see, you can do anything with them and they won't break. You can work out with these. I have tiny ears, so normally the other ones don't fit in. Next up for me, what is important are watches. I really like watches because I feel like with guys, there's not much that you can do, so you can wear watches, and with watches is that they're also a good investment, so you can keep buying watches. Well, it's not like you're ever going to sell them, but at least you can tell yourself that. So this one that I'm wearing right now is a Breguet. Putin wears one. This is not a dress watch, it's slightly sportier, but I like it because it has sentimental value. It's a 1952 Rolex Air King, my grandfather's. And so I got that. This was actually my first buy myself, actually, so I'm really proud of this. It's a Rolex Explorer 2, and it's also cool because I don't see a lot of people wearing the Explorer 2, and if you've just heard this, block it out of your memory. I like the fact that not a lot of people wear this. Next up is this kind of like retro helmet that I have. I love motorbikes. I wanted something with a little bit of like a retro thing going, but yet it also had to be, safe enough for you to wear. So this is one that I found finally, which is a safer option, and it also still has the retro vibe going with it. I'll move on to next is this. So basically, because I have to travel quite a bit, and then it's always good to moisturize. Kiehl's is always safe. Generally, even with other things with Kiehl's, I'll use a lot of Kiehl's. They have a good line for men. So while I'm traveling, or even anywhere that I'm going, I need to have a book with me because I tend to forget a lot of things. And the best way not to forget is to write things down, any idea that you get, whatever you get. So this is my little book with all my secrets in it. This, which is kind of like a multi-purpose, kind of like a travel sort of a thing. So I can just clip this in. You can put in money. So I like to carry money clips as well, because sometimes when you can't carry the entire thing, you just need to carry lights, so then you can just carry a money clip. But apart from the money clip, what this has is that it keeps all your cards, money. If you're traveling a lot, then you have different compartments for different currencies wherever you're going. Pods. So yeah. So I used to lose these a lot, all the time actually. This is my third set. But then I found this, which is a lifesaver. It's a clip for the pod, and then you can just kind of clip it on. In about 2-3 months, I haven't lost these, so I guess this is working. Because I have to drive a lot for work and otherwise as well, I decided that I'll start putting in everything in my keys that I need. So this is like a laser pointer. So when you're on set and stuff and you have to tell people move this and move that, this can be a little annoying, but helps things. Firstly, you can clip these on to anything, anytime. Then this is a multi-purpose kind of like a bottle opener. Keep this right back. So this is accessories. So with accessories, I generally really like accessories. If you can see, I wear a lot of white shirts, and this is a little tricky because a lot of people say guys pulling off gold is difficult. But like if you're wearing solid white and blue jeans, this gives a bit of pop. I'll either wear that. And between these two rings, I'm sorted because black would be something that I'd wear with black belt or a white shirt or something. And if I'm going brown, then this sort of works because it's got a gold detail on it. And I think all of this needs to go somewhere. So for that, I used to carry a duffel before, but duffel sometimes now gets a little cumbersome in terms of carrying it. So I moved back to backpacks, and this is the one I'm carrying these days. Even if you wear a button down, this is something that'll go with it because the suede sort of helps it make it a little less casual. Got this from Tom Ford. It's pretty cool. A little high maintenance though, because if you're traveling and if it's raining, yeah, you can't be out in the rain with this one. The last thing and a very important thing for me is my laptop. Now this is something, it's an old Mac that I've had for about 3 years now. But why it's important and special to me is because I keep putting these stickers on wherever I travel. I run out of space, so I stopped doing that. But sort of like makes work interesting, because every time I It kind of puts a smile on my face, brings back a lot of memories. So yeah, it makes work fun for me because a lot of my work is on this. And I guess all of these are the essentials that I can't live without, and thank you very much.